What's going on, my friends? You know, in that movie Elf, you know, the Christmas movie, and he sees who he thinks is Santa Claus, and it's been a while, he's like, Santa, yes, Santa, I know him. You know that special part? That's kind of what happens every single day in this country. People are like, hey, can I really fund my business at 0% interest and take it from $0 to $1 million and power it by 0% interest funding? Well, my friends, that's what we're going to dive into today. So stay tuned and pay attention, take some notes, and you can find out if you can turn your dreams into the truth with 0% interest funding for your business. So years ago, I needed badly to launch my first business. I was looking to get financing and funding for it. I was short on funds. I was short on cash. I was trying to find a way, and I thought, hey, maybe I'll go to my local bank, right? I banked there for years. I got my bank account, my money there. I got car loans there. Surely my bank is going to help me and create some financing options for my new business. And then I figured out that they really don't lend their own funds, only SBA-backed loans, and they only have a couple products, and they say no to literally 90 to 95% of business owners. I sat down with the Chase regional representative. That's the unfortunate truth. So your local bank oftentimes will not help you, especially with a new business. Then I thought, well, hey, there's venture capital, Mark Zuckerberg, Twitter, Jack Dorsey. These guys get millions of dollars in venture capital. Maybe I can do the same. And then I found out, well, venture capital only helps 1% to 2%, probably 1% of businesses with money. So then I realized, well, gosh, the bank ain't helping me. Venture capital's not really an option. So where do 95% of people go to get money for their business? And how in the world could they even get it at 0% interest? And I thought, wait, I keep hearing about creative financing. There's these creative outside of the box options that are available for entrepreneurs and business owners. I thought, okay, how does this work? So I dove into it, categorized thousands of hours, did all the research. You know, what about lines of credit? What about loans? Do I need collateral? Do I not need collateral? What about equipment? What about commercial real estate? What are all the different options? And after thousands of hours, spending, categorizing, figuring this out, all of a sudden, I came up with a formula. It's called the Business Funding Formula. Turned into a book. You can get it free on our website at sevenfiguresfunding.com. But basically, it's a formula that shows you how to get the best funding possible to grow your business. And more importantly, it started out a little blurry, but I started to realize maybe the best option are these 0% interest option, credit stacking programs. And I started to formulate how we could do this for my own business. And I figured out that actually there are funding sources offering 0% interest for up to 20 months. I kid you not. It's existing right now. I don't know how long it's going to last, but it's 0% interest for 20 months. Now, you generally need about a 680 or better FICO score, but if you're down to a 650, 640, we've got some, credit secrets to help get you above a 680 very quickly. And not only that, but the payments are affordable. I mean, I could get 0% interest, but I have to pay the loan back in a year. That's pretty tough to do. That's expensive. But when I can get $10,000 in a 0% credit line and it's only $200 a month, basically if you had $50,000, you're talking about, a very affordable payment of about, $500 to $1,000 a month on $50,000. Like and you're 0% interest. So every payment is going towards principal. And not only that, but you get to earn cashback rewards. Like I got 5 kids and I just went to Disney World and my cashback rewards paid for it. I didn't have to take any money out of my pocket to pay for those Disney World tickets. Unbelievable. How does this work? Well, that's how it works, my friends. It's 0% interest. Now that you got 0% interest, you have a chance to join the 7 Figures Club. And in fact, that's what happened with this business. I started it with 0% interest. We did $0 to $10 million in just under 3 years, and it never would have happened without being powered by 0% interest. Not only have I done it with that business, I've done it with multiple of my own businesses. And more importantly, thousands of our clients have secured funding at 0% interest to jumpstart their business for $500 million in funding for clients in all 50 states, in all types of businesses, from e-commerce to real estate investing. It doesn't matter what your business or industry, this actually works. It's actually available for you. So the big question you're probably thinking now is, do I qualify? Well, my friends, there's only one way to find out. Click on the link below and get your free pre-approval today at 0% interest for up to 20 months. Find out if you can live the American dream. Venture capital and the banks, they're not going to help most of us. That's where creative financing comes in. Click the link below. It will not hurt your credit. Find out what your 0% interest pre-approval looks like today. Join the American dream, become an entrepreneur. And hey guys, if you're loving these videos, if you're getting value, if you're learning about the #1 fintech resource to jumpstart your business, then subscribe to the channel, smash that ding dong button up top there so you get notifications, and share this with other small business owners, because we're on a mission to help millions of small business owners get 0% interest funding, change the world, creating products and services. I know you want to be part of that. Share it with other like-minded individuals and join the 7 Figures Funding revolution today.